I'm rich, man.
Good morning, guys. Starting our vlog with a walk slash a run. Ako lang mag-isa kasi tulog pa sila. It's only like what, 6:20 dito. And walang gym yung hotel namin dito sa South Beach. So running it is and walking it is. So come with me. Let's go. Hindi pa lumalabas yung araw eh. That's the ocean right there. We just did 2 kilometers, 18 minutes. Medyo mabagal tayo pero you know why? Because I'm wearing my Crocs. Look guys, no running shoes. Naiwan ko yung runners ko sa car and I didn't want to go to the parking garage to get it. But that doesn't mean, you know, so you skip the run. You skip your non-negotiable. And while I was running, nag-iisip ako on how far I have come. Within the last 5 years that I've been in real estate, you know, I've been to places that I've never thought I could go in 5 years. Like going to Hawaii, going to Miami, going to BC, going to Toronto. Hindi ko naisip yun nung nag-work ako ng full-time job dun sa work ko dati. Kasi I have to save up and it takes longer than what people think pag magta-travel. Kasi for me, ayokong gastusin yung pera ko. If I cannot afford it, then I won't go and do it. I'm not those type of people that will just use credit card just to show off to other people. For me, if I can't do it, if I can't afford it with all my cash, then I'm not gonna do it. Kahit tanungin niyo si April. And yun nga, nagre-reflect ako while I was running na all of these happened within the last 5 years. And this just shows guys that anything and everything is possible as long as you put in the work, as long as you stay focused and you believe on what you're doing. Step in Arnyo, yung program na ginawa ko when I started, they have a saying that within 5 years they can get somebody millionaire with their program. And I stuck with it, and that thing stuck in my mind, and I believe that hey, in the next 5 years I can do it. And guess what guys, I did it. I did it. My business is a 7-figure business and I'm traveling with the family, and you guys can do it as well. Walang special sa akin. I'm actually a dumb guy na I just took a leap of faith. I believe on what I can do, and I know it was gonna work out. And that's why it did work out. And I'm just getting started. I'm not saying I'm very successful, but I am successful from where I am 5 years ago. So that's why I'm super grateful na nandito kami. I get to experience this with my family, and it's just amazing. Medyo nakaka-amaze na within 5 years you could go to your dream city vacation. Like I said yesterday, itong South Beach, Miami is one of my dream city to be at, to swim in this ocean. I'm just super grateful. Like I said guys, you guys can do it too. I'm no special guy, you know, I just have the grit, I just have the consistency, I just have the willpower to actually bet on myself and do it. I've said it before, if you want something like this, you gotta invest in yourself, you gotta invest in a coach that will help you get to the next level, because if you don't, you'll be stuck and you will be the same person 5 years from now. Ganda ng sunrise, no guys? Whew, one of the beautiful things in life is watching sunrise. I love doing this. It just brings life. Alam mong nandiyan na yung araw. And it's Monday today. Oh look guys, may mga nag-party pa loko. May mga champagne bottle po. But yeah, sunrise man. I love sunrise. It's time to go back to the room. Hopefully gising na sila and we will have breakfast. Guys, may outdoor gym pala dito. Kasi hindi natin nakita kanina. But I guess tomorrow dito tayo mag-workout. And for those of you who knows Scarface and nakapanood ng movie niya, ito yung hotel na pinagstayan niya or nag-film sila. Ayan siya, oh. Ganda, oh. Updated na siya. Siyempre, ang tagal na ng movie na yun. But this is the hotel. Morning! I just went on a walk. What's wrong? Kuya Elijah, what happened to Kuya Elijah?
Yung pinapanood na.
Oy, Kuya Elijah. Alright, breakfast is done. Pupunta kami ng Wynwood para check out yung mga graffiti stuff. One of the famous murals, one of the famous site dito sa Miami. Wow, look at that.
I want to.
Guys, we found a Ferrari. You see this? Let's go see the Ferrari. There's Ferrari. I don't know what kind is this, but this thing is super nice. Oh my goodness. Look at that. In the back. What? It's an old Porsche. Wow. I think it's closed still. Yeah, it's closed. Wynwood walls. Oh, look at this. Look at the padlocks.
I don't feel good.
Oh, look, Elijah. What? You don't feel good about what?
Huh? I don't feel good.
Go, stand here. I'll take a picture of you here, Elijah. Louis Vuitton. Ang dami pa dito, oh. Let's go straight for now and then we'll turn right or left at the end. Marilyn Monroe. Ayun, oh, look at that kid on the wall right there.
Why is he like that?
I don't know, buddy. It's 9:22. Oh, like another Messi right there. Look. Oh, kasi nga, he plays for Miami. That's why.
Really?
Yeah. We found somewhere to sit, to relax for a bit.
Yeah.
Heading to Designer District or Design District. Kakatapos lang namin dito sa Wynwood. Not bad. We are here. Some what's here? Designer stuff. Alo is right there.
Alice and Olivia.
Alice and Olivia?
Alice.
Oh.
So close, but yet so far. Alice and Olivia.
Ayun o. Givenchy.
Givenchy yata.
Miri. Ano tayong parking? Ito pala, Louis Vuitton eh. Pasok tayo dyan. All the luxury stuff are in this area, guys. Ayan o. Shoes. GTR, baby. Tuwan-tuwa ang bata. Oh, go.
Can I get
More on that side.
video, please? I want to say I'm rich, man.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm rich, man.
What's this one? Oh, butterflies. We went upstairs. What is these? A dog, an elephant. Look at that. That's so cool. Yeah, it's a parking. Window shopping lang kami mga guys. Dahil hindi naman kami makabili. At kulang pa yung mambili namin. Oh, may bagong kasal guys. Bagong sakal pala no. Beb, sakal or kasal? Oh, nice. Sarado pa, I think. Dior, Louis Vuitton. We are at all you can eat sushi and Korean stuff, I guess. Guys, lunch is done. Heading back to the hotel. We ate so much that
We still wanna eat.
we still wanna eat.
That's how it goes.
And 2 more days dito sa Florida. And then we go home. We're gonna go swimming after this. We're gonna take a rest muna sa hotel.
A 1 hour rest.
1 hour, 2 hour rest. What's up, what's up? Had a big nap. Now we are back going to the beach again. It's almost 5:30 dito. It's good weather again. Excited na sila ulit maligo. Wala rin masyadong tao kasi it's Monday, which is good. Wap, 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 wap. Ayaw magbaba. Batang spoiled.
You okay? You wanna go to the water?
Oh, look at the pigeon. Back at the hotel, guys. Gonna end the day here. Gonna end the vlog here today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes?
Piggy bank.
Yes?
Yeah.
Say bye, guys.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Say bye, Kelly. Peace!
Free.
Sorry yung sa kanya.